Racing near.me, the most complete racing directory in America.
683 venues, 800 guides, one map.
Built by us, updated weekly, no staff.
This is what AI native looks like at scale.
The map, every track in America, live, interactive.
Click any pin. Get the venue page, get the guides, get directions.
It used to take 5 tabs to find this. Now it's 1.
9 disciplines, tracks, drag, drift, moto, karting, sim, water, drone, air.
Filter to your kind, the map updates instantly.
Karting, 230 venues. Sim racing, 151.
Every venue gets a full page. Adams Motorsports Park.
Know before you go. Hours, pricing, what's there, watch a video.
Nearby venues, related guides, directions, all cross-linked.
Generated by us, refreshed every Saturday.
800 plus guides, beginner to pro, every discipline.
How to start drag racing, how to pick your first karting suit, what to expect at HPDE.
Researched, indexed, refreshed weekly, fully autonomous.
Find your track, plan your weekend.
Share it with the driver in your life.
Every kind of racing, one directory.
Racingnear.me.